Now we look at question 8. Question 8 is also based on an expression, and the expression is a little boy came to ask if I was okay. The question is convert the above expression in indirect speech to a direct speech. Now this expression is indirect speech. If you go to the passage, what happens is that what we have here, if you look at it, it's already in quotes, even in the passage, showing that it's a direct speech. But it's a direct speech of Joy James, who indirectly quoted the boy, the little boy. What you're asked to convert now is to convert the little boy's speech, which is quoted indirectly by Joy James, to a direct speech. We can also ask you to move this Joy James indirect speech to, that is direct speech, to indirect speech. But this time now, we only ask that this indirect speech, if I was okay, should be moved to direct speech. I hope you can understand the technicalities in this operation. Okay, so having said that, we now move on to what the scheme has. What do we have in the scheme? The scheme, the answer is, are you okay? Asked a little boy. Are you okay? Asked a little boy. That is taken from a little boy, obviously. And then this is what the little boy asked, if I was okay, which is now indirectly asked. That is why it's not even in question mark. Now, that is our answer from the marking scheme. So what do we have for our candidates? Candidate A, I was asked by a little boy, are you okay? This is correct. The only problem is the marker, the quotation marks are not there. Remember, we don't really mark punctuation marks and capitalization issues when it comes to comprehension. However, this issue is so topical that we need to look at those things, and that is why half a mark is removed from candidate A's answer. It ought to have been 2 marks, so we have half a mark. Because here there ought to have been quotation marks here and quotation marks at this point. So take note of that, but they are not there now, and so I removed her, and then this ought to have been capital letter at the beginning of the direct speech.